Can you tell me a little bit about your experience here in the office?
Well, my experience has been great. I was sort of disbelieving when I came, but I had severe fibromyalgia since I was in my 30s, mid 30s, and I'm 75 now. And in 3 weeks, every bit of pain from the fibromyalgia was gone. And I couldn't believe it, and I felt myself all over, and it was just gone, and it was severe. I also had bone on bone in my knees and was looking for a replacement. I'd had shots and everything, and got the shots in my knees, and it's been 6 weeks now, and at 4 weeks I noticed it was a lot better, and so I started walking more. The pain is gone, and I don't walk with a cane now.
Perfect. What would you tell someone that's considering doing stem cells?
I would recommend it to anyone. See, I was told it's a scam by other people, but I braved it and went ahead and did it. It's not a scam. It really helps. All my pain's gone. I'm off of the 3 pain medications I was on.
Can you tell me a little bit about your experience here in the office?
Well, basically the reason I came in the first place is I was pretty much out of options because I wasn't a candidate for surgery and the steroid injections were not working, so I thought, well, let's try something else. And so far it's been great. I mean, I have no pain in one knee and less pain in the other one after 6 weeks. So I think it's really been worth the effort of going to try it.
What would you tell someone that's considering getting stem cells?
Well, I think if you're in pain, it's well worth taking the risk of doing it. I mean, for me, it's been the best thing I've tried so far.